This is Live Like a Lemon Pokemon. Comment, rate, or subscribe. We are going to open 4 Stormfront. In this video, I'll start off with a Torterra. Boom, boom, boom. Should I put them down?
Mm-hmm.
Bronzor, Bidoof, Skorupi, Tangela, Finneon, Grovyle, Luxury Ball, Farfetch'd. The reverse holo is a Magneton. And our rare is... Why is this... Like, we get this every single time with Tyranitar. Oh, forgot the name of this. Infernape, there we go. Say hello, Lem.
Hello, Lem.
I almost forgot that.
Yeah, I'm supposed to.
And I'm at Lem's house today, as you can see by the new settings. Shit. Duskull, Bagon, Roselia, Larvitar, Drifloon, Shelgon, Mystery, Marley's Request, Sublime. The reverse holo is... Oh, a shiny Voltorb! Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't expect this to be good. A Mamoswine. Oh. Another Infernape booster pack. I don't know why I try to open them nicely. Don't look. Bidoof, Skorupi, Tangela, Finneon, Drevis, Miltank, Pokeblower, Haunter. The reverse holo is an Onix. And a rare... What the? A Mamoswine.
Oh man.
So we're doing pretty bad.
Like always.
We should do it. We should buy a booster box or a tin or something. Never trust the card dealer with loose packs.
Used? Random.
Loose.
Oh.
Okay.
Except the one legend we got.
Yeah, we got a legend, but that's about it. Duskull, Onix. Okay, well this is clearly Stunky, Magikarp, Pikachu, Luxury Ball, Farfetch'd, Piloswine. Our reverse holo is a Switch. Woo!
Tight.
And a rare Steelix. Shit. Exactly. This is Live Like a Lemon Pokemon. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you.